Well, good afternoon, friends. I hope all you guys are having an awesome, fantastic day. Now this week officially kicks off the spring break season in some parts of the country, so I figured let's head over to Disney's Blizzard Beach to have a water park vlog for the start of spring break season. Now here at Walt Disney World, they offer two water parks, Typhoon Lagoon and Blizzard Beach. Typhoon Lagoon is still under a refurbishment. It will be opening up, I think, around May, so right before the summer crowds come. Now, I am trying to use up all of my water park perks as much as I can. That's with my annual pass, because in a few months, I will have to renew my annual pass. I'm not renewing with the Platinum Plus that allows me into the 4 parks plus the water parks. I just don't go to the water parks like I thought I would, dropping back down to just regular Platinum that will allow me into the 4 parks and not the water parks. So in the next few months, I'm gonna be trying to bust out a few water park vlogs just because I don't really see myself coming that much in the future. Park hours, 10 a.m. until 5 o'clock p.m. Not bad. I wanted to show you guys, Disney has put up these signs surrounding the current virus going around, as well as these hand sanitizer dispensers around the parks. I am not going to lie, it feels good being back at a water park. You know, it's been pretty cold recently in Florida. It's hot 1 week, cold 2 weeks, hot 1 week, cold 2 weeks. But before I put the camera and my bag in the locker, I want to make a loop around the park, because as we see, the park is pretty big. I know I'll be spending a lot of time today in the lazy river. If you would like to pay a little bit more, you can rent your private patio here at Blizzard Beach. One thing that I love about this park is you have your own lifts to take you all the way to the top to ride the few water slides they have up there. And of course, they have food stations scattered throughout the park. They also offer the rapid refill station, which I highly suggest you guys do, especially if you guys get thirsty on a hot summer day. For the little ones, you have Tyke's Peak. I really do enjoy the theming here at Blizzard Beach. It's very unique and different. Look at this view of the entire park. But you do have a wave pool here, right in the middle. It's not as fun as Typhoon Lagoon's wave pool, but still very enjoyable. And I want to point out, when you guys enter the park, don't go directly to the first chairs that you guys see. They have areas scattered throughout the entire park that's empty, just like this. So don't settle for the front of the park. Ooh, they have a Joffrey's here. They do have a full service bar here called the Polar Pub. Ooh, this looks really fun. I believe you race each other. They do offer life jackets. I believe in the summertime, you can actually meet Olaf and Kristoff here at Blizzard Beach. Now, let's go find a locker, put my bag away, the camera away, and we'll switch over to the GoPro for some fun. Unfortunately, you do have to pay for lockers here. I would also highly recommend bring water shoes when you're at the water park. About to switch to the GoPro now. All right, we have officially switched over to the GoPro, making my way to our first water slide of the day. It's not too crowded at all. Everything looks to be a walk-on, or at least a 5-minute wait. It's the perfect temp right now. Not too hot, not too cold. Perfect day for Disney Water Park. I am making my way to the biggest, tallest water slide. I made it all the way to the top. We can see the McDonald's under refurbishment right now. All-Star Resorts. And look at the entire water park. Oh wow, we can even see Galaxy's Edge right here. Tower of Terrors right here. Epcot, Swan and Dolphin. All of it looks so fun. Here we go. Whoa! Oh man, that was a lot of fun. That ride is so much fun. I highly recommend you guys do that for your first ride here at Blizzard Beach. But there was like no wait times up here, so there's another big slide. Here we go. Whoa! Oh no! Ah! That one maybe, yeah, that one's more scarier than the bigger one. 3 times my butt lifted off the slide. Wow, that was really thrilling. That guy just yelled. My fellows out there, when you come to this water park, do yourself a favor, wear some athletic, tight Spanx. I promise you'll thank me later. I totally forgot there are 3 rides up here. This last one is a family water ride. Here we go. Oh, oh dear. Whoa. Oh, that was nice. That was a nice long ride. Oh, cool. Look at this photo pass opportunity when you get off the ride. They usually have a photo pass person here, but I think that happens only when summer's here, since it's still technically off season. There's not really a wait to ride the lift back up. Definitely want to take full advantage of the no wait times up there. Here we go. Making my way all the way to the tippy top. This is way better than walking up those stairs. Making my way to the purple slope rides. Looks like we have 3 of them. Oh boy, this looks like it's gonna hurt a little bit. We have to lay on our stomachs. I think I was way too big for this, way too tall. This is the racing one I've been looking for. Downhill double dipper. Have to pick up our tube and go up some more stairs. This one looks really fun. I think this one is the last slide that we have to do here at Blizzard Beach. But I'm really excited for this one. Looks like you're racing each other down. Here we go. Whoa! Whoa! That was super fast. 9 point something seconds. And here we are, our final water slide of the day. Runoff Rapids. Let's pick up our tube. Oh man, more stairs. Straight walk on. All right, have a good one, thank you. Here we are, let's do this. Whoa, it's dark. Woohoo! You can't see anything. It's like Space Mountain, but a water ride. That was so much fun. Let's finally enter the lazy river. This video is sponsored by Mickeytravels. If you're looking to book your next Disney vacation, go get your free quote today from Mickeytravels.com, as they never charge you anything to book your next Disney vacation, and they are one of the select few travel agencies in the world that are platinum earmarked by Disney themselves. Go visit my friends down in the description, click on the link for your next Disney vacation. Feels so nice to just relax in the lazy river. Take it all in. I could fall asleep, take a nap. Let's check out the wave pool now. Back on the big camera. Holy cow, that was so much fun. Everything was a straight walk on. Before I leave, I want to walk through the gift shop to show you guys the new merchandise, if there's any. If you are on the Disney dining plan, they do have a pretty good sized quick service location. Let's quickly check out the gift shop. Looks like they have the usual stuff: bathing suits, Disney towels, sunglasses, hats. Looks like they have a few snacks if you guys get a little hungry. Check out the Blizzard Beach merchandise. They have a few t-shirts, and it's that soft material to protect you from the sun, going for $30. They also have a Spirit jersey to go along with it. Oh, look at this one. I love the new logo. Looks like a beach t-shirt. Not bad at all. Here's a quick look at the water park ticket prices. $69 for an adult. All right, I'm going to go ahead and let you guys go. What a fun day it was. I was here about 4 hours and it did not feel like it because I had no watch, no phone. I was just going with the flow and enjoying the water park with little to no wait time for the rides. You know, heading into spring break, I'm sure it's going to start getting busier, and then summer's right around the corner. I hope you guys enjoyed this fun spring day here at Blizzard Beach with me, and I hope you guys get to check out Blizzard Beach and/or Typhoon Lagoon on your next Walt Disney World vacation, because it's fun. It's a whole different experience from being inside the theme parks to a water park, and this is something just kind of fun for the kiddos to go out and enjoy and have some fun. If you guys enjoyed today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys are new here, because we do this quite often, and I love you guys so much. Remember, it's nice to be nice, and YouTube, I'll see you guys in the next video. Prince Charming, out.
And I wanna admit it's time to end the ride. Fading it too slowly. Were those gonna lift me up this time? You were the only one who got me tripping up inside. All the words you told me, am I reading something different from your eyes? See